What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? I'm going to do an unboxing today on a very popular short course truck. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. In this case here, it is the ARRMA Fury. I just ordered it from a local hobby shop just down the road, about an hour down the road. So I try to support my Canadian economy. So I know every now and then I'll do buy from overseas, but you know, I do try to support every now and then. And yep, just a little sort of packing slip of, you know, as to where I ordered it. You know, the company is Chris's house, and my contact there, his name is Jonathan. So yeah, he went ahead and sent it to me. So I'll show you guys what I've done and what I purchased, I should say. Haven't had a chance to open it as I just, you know, just like anybody else, you know, busy working and all that. So, over the weekend, I got a bit more time. Being a 1/10 scale, obviously, it's going to be a little bit on the bigger side. But yeah, that's the truck right there. That's the box, anyways. I ended up ordering the blue one, which is that one right there. Here's just what the box looks like on all four corners. I ended up ordering the mega version, which is the brush version. So if I want to go ahead and upgrade and put my own brushless system in it, I can. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything apart. Everything is nicely packaged, as you can see, protected all from shipping and whatnot. Okay, so we have the popular controller. This is going to be the SL2 controller. Okay, it comes with the 2-in-1 ESC as well. Of course, at the back we have our typical 45, 75, and 100% switch. Feels really good in the hand. It's definitely not a cheap remote. It feels really good. Batteries, of course, go on the bottom, and of course we have our other controls with two knobs right over here. Right. Well, it feels pretty good. Okay. Okay. So, aside from the truck, I'm sure you guys have seen this unboxing many times in the past, but I'll just do my own. It comes with the special tool. We all know what it kind of looks like, but I'm not going to say what it looks like. Apparently it's a thing. It's a faux pas to say what it looks like. We all know what it looks like. We have our shock retainers to tighten things up a little bit if you prefer. And we have a little Allen wrench right at the bottom, so you can see right there. Here we got a little binding clip. Like I said, they give us the batteries that go in the remote, so we'll be using those ones for sure. And we got some tools, some quality tools. Not very many manufacturers give you this. Actually, I think ARRMA is the only one that actually does that, so it's a nice touch. Let's see what's in this little box here. Oh, this is the charger, right. Just gonna go ahead and just rip this little box open. I can't recall which one I bought. I know that some of the kits come with the battery and some don't. I got the one with the battery. Kind of reminds me of like the iPhone setup. So here's the smart charger. It's the S120 charger, USB-C charging port, and of course its proprietary plug goes on the other end. And of course here's the charging cable. So it's sort of closer to what a cell phone would be. Got a little card. It says Fury on it. Pretty cool. And then of course we have our owner's manual. Basically everything you need to get started, just like the cover says, how to set it up, and all the other information that you would need. And a leaflet that just fell down, which is it says here, technical pack. So how to, you know, use the included tool to set up the differentials and all that, how to take it apart. So yeah, very informative. Okay, then we got the truck, of course. Nice plastic over top of it to protect the finish. Very, very nice. Almost like a baby blue kind of color. Really, really nice. It's got some good weight to it, which obviously that's ARRMA quality. So as you guys have seen in other unboxings, there's two clips that are inside here. You can see where my finger is right here. That's one of the clips, and the other one is right up here. So basically you just got to pull it out, and then the body will just kind of come right off. I think the Gorgon, I think the clip actually comes off, but this one here, I never actually opened up one of these, but yeah, pretty simple actually. It's very, very durable. Okay, don't just bash, blast. Of course, that's their logo, I guess you can say. Okay, so really good quality plastics. And of course, there's still a protective cover. Actually, no, that's the stickers. Okay, so yeah, so the stickers I find are really, really good quality. Very, very realistic looking, even down to the stickers. So yeah, you can definitely see where the money goes. Backed by ARRMA quality. Okay, so yeah, of course we have our oil-filled shocks. You know, nothing less for ARRMA, as you can see. We have our battery compartment, which is down over here. Squeeze in these two tabs, and then we have our nickel metal hydride battery, 8 cell. All right, so that's 8.4 volt. So of course, like I said, I won't be using this system. I'll be going brushless. So anyways, that's what it does come with. So I'll put this one out. Pull this one back up here. Okay. Let's see. How do you guys do this here? Anyway, I'll just fiddle with this thing later on. So that's the size of the battery compartment. Yeah, you can put a decent sized battery in here, depending on, you know, a 5000 2S, 5200 2S would definitely fit. But like I said, I'll be changing all the electronics, with the exception of the servo, which obviously being a 3-wire servo, so I'm going to keep that, but obviously change out the 2-in-1 ESC. It's a Spectrum unit, along with the 550 right over here, size 14 turn brushed mega motor. Okay, it's gonna be a pretty easy fix. So I just gotta, you know, basically take off this cover right over here, just undo the pinion, and yeah, I mean, these things are really, really simple. Good balance front to rear, I find, and it especially helps with the motor being ahead of the rear axle. That actually makes it a mid-mounted design. So that's why between the motor and then the battery that's in front of it, very, very, very good handling when it comes to, you know, flying. You've seen these on skate parks and whatnot, so they're very level. They have very, very good air control. Tires are obviously a nice soft compound, so you got lots of grip on all kinds of surfaces. Yeah, you got really, really thick. You have the ARRMA proprietary dog bolts in the back, all nylon, of course, and they're built to take a lot of abuse, as is the transmission. It's very, very strong the way it's built, and it can take a lot of power. You know, whatever power you want to kind of, you know, feed it, be it, you know, 2S, which is, it comes with it, 3S, 4S, you know, 6S, you know, that's kind of pushing it when it comes to just being a 2-wheel drive, but it can easily handle up to 4S. But I mean, I don't know why you want to go more than that, especially being 2-wheel drive. Or you can go with a 6, or for like a high kV unit. But keep in mind, you're going to be looking at at least a 3660 or a 3665 motor. You could even go larger, but then again, you have to keep in mind the shaft size. I believe this is a 3.175 pinion, so you'll probably have to go the most 3660, maybe like a 4200 kV unit if you want to run 3S through it. Comes with a little hole right over here, and you can always take this off. And I really recommend to mount a fan to blow air down into the motor, because there's really not much in terms of cooling. It's kind of in a tunnel, you can say, so that's the only source of air. So I'd recommend getting a fan and blow it downwards to cool it off, especially if you want to run this brushless. Can this handle 3S? The motor will burn out. You might get a couple runs out of it, leaving it as is. Originally I was going to change out the ESC to a 3S brushed system, but for the cost of everything, and I already have all the parts, might just make a brushless and just, you know, spare it all. So I'll be taking out the system and going brushless straight away. But yeah, that's basically it. Really well built, good quality plastics. It's on the slim side, and of course we have these Nerf bars on the side, of course being a short course truck, I should say. And yeah, that's about it. You know, really good thick A-arms. You'll need that. Shocks are amazing. I mean, they're better than the ZD Racing shocks that I have with many of my ZDRCs. But yeah, excellent. So that would be, I guess, the conclusion of the 1/10 scale ARRMA Fury 2-wheel drive short course truck. If you guys have any questions about this particular RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please leave a comment below. I'll answer any questions you guys may have. All right, have a good day. Ciao.